guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back in the Philippines. So for today's video, samahan niyo po ako on my scheduled travel to work. So, let's go! So guys, time check, it's currently 3:36 AM and we have a flight going to Puerto Princesa, Palawan at 6:10. Hopefully umabot tayo. So estimated arrival time is 4:18 AM and we're ready to go!
In 200 meters, stay to the left to Terminal 3 arrivals.
Hi guys, so time check, it's 4:48 AM. Dumating ako ng airport around 4:10. So sobrang haba ng pila sa check-in ng baggage. So pang 23rd pa ako sa line. Hopefully umabot tayo dun sa flight. Pero may mga last call naman. So sana huwag tayo umabot ng last call. Pero ayan. So ang dami na tao. And I'll give you an update pag check-in ko na yung baggage ko. Tapos hopefully we would be on our gate going to our plane. So see you in a bit. Hi guys, so I'm at gate 133B and we're currently boarding. So boarding time is 5:25, but I had a problem with my luggage, so I had to pay extra 2,000 pesos for my small backpack to be checked in. But I just arrived in time, so I'm currently in line and boarding, and will be transferring through, I think, a bus going to the plane. So I'll see you in a bit.
Miss Demetria Mantoy, Mr. John Dexter, Pwede may ako mag-isa na Ayan.
Excuse po.
If you're seated by the emergency exits, read carefully the passenger viewing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive. Sa mga panauling nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay, hindi rin yung magagampanan ang mga panuntunin ng exit row. Pagbigay alam kayo ng cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
Hi, so we're finally seated at our seat. So, yung seat number
If you want to
is
complete.
31A and I'm on the last row. And I'll see you in the big Puerto Princesa.
for landing, we will now be leaving the cabin lights. Guests who are reading or reading, you may switch on the passenger light that can be found. Thank you.
Cabin crew at the landing stations.
everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Puerto Princesa International Airport. Time check for your convenience, it is now 40 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning.
Hi guys! So my plane just landed in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. So we're here! Hi guys! So we just arrived in Puerto Princesa International Airport. We're here! So we're inside Puerto Princesa International Airport and we're just waiting for our luggages. It's finally moving. I hope our luggage would come out first, but if not, we have to wait. So we're actually waiting for two luggages. One is a big pink luggage, exactly like this one, but a bit bigger. And another one would be a backpack. Just my office backpack.
Magandang umaga sa lahat ng pasahero ng Cebu Pacific at bilang flight 636 patungo Manila dahil ang kanyang delimitado para sa lahat ng daladalang bags. Kayo po ay makahanap ng mga volunteers na papayag check-in ang kanilang mga carry-on bags. Ang aming mga customer service agents ay naging upang maghanap ng mga volunteers. Please sa ating pasahero ng Cebu Pacific at bilang flight 636 patungo Manila dahil ang kanyang delimitado para sa lahat kami po ay magbayanap ng mga volunteers na magpapayag check-in ng kanilang mga carry-on bags. Ang aming mga customer service agents ay magbibigay po ng mga volunteers. Maraming salamat po.
Hi guys, I'm actually at Puerto Princesa International Airport and we have a bit of a problem. Both of my luggage are left behind in NAIA Terminal 3 and I actually have this form, so I have to fill this up and wait for my luggage within the day. Hopefully I can get it within the day. So let me just fill this up and I'll be back. I am just done filling up the form for my luggage that was left behind in Manila and I'll be returning it to the staff of Cebu Pacific. Hopefully they can deliver my things today, end of day. So let's see. There's a lot of commotion going on in the airport because of what happened and people are asking why or all of our luggages are left behind. So it is what it is. So I'm heading out the airport, keeping my fingers crossed that my luggage would be delivered end of day today. And my service arrived already, so it's provided by my company. Yes. And we're outside the airport. So I only have one luggage and this contains only my laptops. Hopefully I'll give you an update once I receive my luggages. hopefully today, end of day. So I'm just walking towards my service. So let's see. I think he's already here, if I'm not mistaken. I think there he is. Yep, it is. Here's my service. So I'll give you an update once I get into my accommodation. I'll see you in a bit. So hi guys, I'm back. So I arrived at my accommodation. I'm actually staying at Circon Businessman's Inn here at Rizal Avenue. So this is a quick view of my room. I have 2 beds, but I'm traveling solo for today's on-site. And as you can see, I only have 1 luggage, which has my laptops. Still waiting. We have to wait until end of day. So I'll give you an update. I'll just take a deep breath and relax because I did not sleep. So I won't miss the flight. Teka nga, ba't ba nag-i-English ako? Sandali. Ayan, sorry. Ay, English pa, no? Ayan. So, ayun na nga po. Naiwan po yung bagahe. Naiwan daw yung bagahe sa Manila. Sa NAIA Terminal 3. Ang reason ay merong power outage. So, syempre, wala tayong magagawa. Waiting. Pero, ayan. So, 2 maleta po yung nawawala sa akin. Nawawala. 2 maleta yung naiwan. Ayan, may form naman tayo. So, sabi po nila, kailangan natin magantay until 5 p.m. So, next flight is 1 p.m. Sana ma-deliver. Kung hindi, mag-antay tayo until 5. Kung hindi ma-deliver, oh my gosh. Wala akong isusuot bukas. Wala akong gamit. Wala akong kahit na ano. Ang nandito lang is, yun, laptop, charger. Hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin na laptop charger. Ay. So, ayun. Pahinga muna ako. Siguro, takbo ko nung mabilis sa office. Pakita ko sa inyo in a bit. Pahinga lang ako saglit. Pakita ko kung gaano kalapit yung accommodation ko dun sa office. Pero hindi ko kayo may sasama sa loob ng opisina. Sama ko lang kayo, maglalakad ako. Pakita ko lang yung walkways until dun sa office kung gaano lang siya kalapit. Tapos, ayan, restroom. Ayan, ito yung aking, ito yung aking restroom. Until matapos yung aking on-site duty. Ayan. So, palamig muna tayo. Ayan. Ay. O siya. Mag-ayos lang ako saglit. Takbo ko sa office. And I'll be back. Ano po? Punta na tayo ng office. Ayan. Punta na ng office. Quick run. Ayan, balik din tayo kaagad. Actually, kaya tayo pupunta ng office kasi kukunin ko ang aking bagong uniforms. Ayan. So, ito yung ayan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano po kalapit yung aking accommodation sa aking opisina. So, walking distance lang talaga siya. And it's very convenient na maglakad papunta ng office. Kahit na konting lakad lang. Ano pa rin ito? Morning exercise. Pwede mo pa rin i-consider. Ayan. So, as per recording this video, ayan, mapapansin nyo, look, wala pang 2 minutes, nasa office na ako. Ayan. So, andito na po ako sa office. Ayan, and I'll cut my video here and I'll see you in a bit. Hi! So, magagaling ko lang ng office and nakuha ko na yung bagong uniform. So, ayan. We have a new uniform with additional or updated logo. So, technically, kaya kinuha ko na. Saan dumating yung bagahe ko mamaya? Kung wala akong susuot tomorrow, magpasok. So, ngayon, kain muna tayo kasi ayan, wala pa po akong tulog. Hindi talaga ako natulog para hindi ko ma-miss yung flight. So, nandito po tayo sa Mr. Donut and umorder ako ng beef tapa and ayan, calamansi iced tea. So, after kong kumain, babalik na ako sa hotel. Pahinga. Antay ng bagahe. Pahinga, antay ng bagahe. Hopefully dumating siya. So, magbibigay ako na update after that. Pero, after I'm done eating, I think that would conclude our vlog for today. Ayan. So, thank ko na maserve yung tapa. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Then, let's wrap up this vlog. So, hi guys! I'm back. And my meal just arrived. So, ito po ang aking pagkain ngayong araw. Yes, nagtagalog ka rin. Ayan, fried rice, tapa, scrambled egg, tapos tomatoes, tapos calamansi iced tea. And ito na ang aking breakfast. So, yun na nga. Dumating na yung breakfast ko. Ayan. So, this is fried rice, scrambled egg, and beef tapa. Ayan. Kain na po muna ako. And I think that concludes our video for today. If you enjoyed this video, sana hindi kayo masyado na-stress. Katulad ng stress ko. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. I'll give you an update po kapag nakuha ko na yung luggages ko. Pero for the meantime, kain po muna ako. Tapos pahinga muna since wala pa akong tulog. I'll probably take a nap. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!